Linear algebra. In linear algebra, we have line in 2D, plane in 3D, and hyperplane in n dimension. The equation of line is y equal to mx plus c, where m is slope and c is intercept. This is our y-axis, this is x-axis, and this is the line. So the intercept or the y-intercept is called c, and the slope of the line is called m, which is the rate of change of y with respect to rate of change of x. So m is rate of change of y with respect to rate of change of x. For example, the equation of line 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0, y equal to 2x minus 3. So here 2 is the slope and minus 3 is the intercept. So the equation of line 2x minus y minus 3, here the axes are x-axis and y-axis. We can write this as x1 and x2. Instead of using x and y, we will use x1 axis and x2 axis. So the equation will be 2x1 minus x2 minus 3 equal to 0. And the standard form of equation of line is w1 x1 plus w2 x2 plus w0 equal to 0. So w0 is the intercept term here, w2 is the coefficient of x2 axis, and w1 is the coefficient of x1 axis, or we can say that this is a weight vector. So this is the equation of a line. What is the equation of line? w1 x1 plus w2 x2 plus w0 equal to 0. This is the equation of line. If the line is passing through origin, then the intercept term will become 0. So w0 will become 0 here because there is no intercept. In that case, the equation of line will become w1 x1 plus w2 x2 equal to 0 if the line is passing through origin. Similarly, we can extend this formula in 3D and n dimensions also. In 3D, we have the three axes x, y and z, or we can say that x1, y, x1, x2 and x3. These are the three axes. So the equation of the plane, or in 3D, this is the equation of plane. w1 x1 plus w2 x2 plus w3 x3. This is the equation of plane when it is passing through origin, and if it does not passing through origin, then we will add the intercept term. Similarly, the equation of n dimension or the equation of hyperplane is w1 x1 plus w2 x2 plus w3 x3 plus so on so forth wn xn if it is passing through origin, and if it is not passing through origin, then plus w0 equal to 0. This is the equation of hyperplane. Okay, we can write this equation in the form of matrix also. How we can write this? Let's suppose w1 w2 w3 up to wn. it is a row vector, and x1, x2, x3 up to xn, this is a column vector. If we multiply w vector and x vector, we will get the exactly this equation. So if we multiply this w1 with x1, w1 x1 plus w2 x2, w2 x2 plus w3 x3 up to wn xn, we will get exactly the same form of equation. Okay, we know that by default any vector is a column vector, and what is the weight vector here? W. The column vector is w1, w2, w3 up to wn. And the x vector is x1, x2, x3 up to xn. And the equation of plane is w1 x1 plus w2 x2 up to wn xn equal to 0 if the plane is passing through origin. We know that if we take the transpose of this vector of the, or the transpose of column vector is a row vector, or vice versa, the transpose of row vector is a column vector. So if we take the transpose of vector w, it will become row vector. If we multiply w transpose with x, what is w transpose? This. And what is x? This one. So let's multiply both the vectors w transpose and x vector. We will get w1, w2, w3 up to wn. This is the value of w transpose, and x1, x2 up to xn. This is the value of x vector. If we multiply both this, we will get w1 x1 plus w2 x2 up to wn xn, and this is the equation of hyperplane. So the equation of hyperplane is equal to w transpose x equal to 0 if the plane is passing through origin. If the plane is not passing through origin, the equation of hyperplane will be w transpose x plus w0 equal to 0. This is the equation of hyperplane. So here what we understand the line in 2 dimension, and the equation of line is w1 x1 plus w2 x2 plus w0 equal to 0. And in 3D or a plane, the equation will be, so the equation of plane will be w1 x1 plus w2 x2 plus w3 x3 plus w0 equal to 0. Similarly, for hyperplane, the equation will be w1 x1 plus w2 x2 up to wn xn plus w0, and this I can write as summation of wi xi I from 1 to n plus w0. This is the same equation of hyperplane. So the equation of hyperplane is summation over all the point from I equal to 1 to n wi xi plus w0 equal to 0 or w transpose x plus w0 equal to 0. This is all about the linear algebra about line, plane and hyperplane. Thank you.